Tracking mileage can be a real pain, especially if you're out and about on the road a lot. But it's important your team can track their miles accurately. Otherwise, someone loses out, either them or the business. Good news, there's an easy way to do this. It's called MileIQ. It takes the pain out of the whole process because you no longer need to work out your distance. MileIQ does all that for you by logging your drives and distances via the mobile app. All you need to do is classify, edit, and report deductible mileage as and when you need to. There's also a bunch of personalised features, including the options to add vehicles and odometer readings, named locations, and designated work hours. MileIQ is just one of the less well-known features of Microsoft 365. There are so many useful apps your business could be benefiting from. Talk to us today and we'll show you what else you could be using.